Hey, hello again, my dear students. Here we are in this exercise number 5 from your book, and it says listening. Have you tried this before? Have you tried this before? ¿Tú has probado esto antes? Listen to 6 people ask questions in a restaurant. Are they talking about these items? Write yes or no. Y for yes and N for no. If they are asking for a plate, the answer in number 1, that is the example, is no. If your answer is no, you have to write down the answer. The correct answer is juice. Now here, people asking questions about the check, la cuenta, the cake, meat, carne, water, and number 6, the menu. If the answer is yes, you only put Y. If the answer is no, you have to type the answer here, okay? Let's listen to the audio and answer. Copy your answers on your book if you have a book, or on your notebook or a piece of paper that you are going to put your photo at the end of the exercise. Remember, be very ready because you're going to put your photo of the exercise. Let's.
Page 23. Exercise 5. Listening. Have you tried this before? Part A. Listen to 6 people ask questions in a restaurant. Are they talking about these items? Write Y, yes, or N, no. 1,
Have you finished with this?
No, I'm still drinking it, thanks.
2,
Have you tried this before?
Yes, I have. And it's just as delicious as it smells.
3,
Did you taste it?
No, not yet. I'm waiting for the waitress to bring me a fork.
4,
Have you ever eaten this here? I ate it once, but I didn't like it. I think it was cooked for too long.
5,
How is it?
Great, just the way I like it. Black and strong.
6,
Did you ask the waiter for it?
Yes, and it's my treat this time. You paid last time.
Okay, as you could see in all the numbers, they are not going to mention the word. They are not going to mention the word. For example, here, in the first one, they are not mentioning the word plate, but they are talking about a drink. So here the answer is no, and they are talking about juice. In number 2, are they talking about the check? I think the answer is no. And let's listen, and we are going to identify what they are talking about here. Let's listen again.
Page 23. Exercise 5. Part B. Listen again. For the no items, write what they might be talking about instead. 1,
Have you finished with this?
No, I'm still drinking it, thanks.
2,
Have you tried this before?
Yes, I have. And it's just as delicious as it smells.
3,
Did you taste it?
No, not yet. I'm waiting for the waitress to bring me a fork.
4,
Have you ever eaten this here? I ate it once, but I didn't like it. I think it was cooked for too long.
5,
How is it?
Great, just the way I like it. Black and strong.
6,
Did you ask the waiter for it?
Yes, and it's my treat this time. You paid last time.
Okay, kind of strange, right? But yeah. In number two, they are not talking about the check. They are talking about another piece of meal, another piece of food. Maybe it is soup, but if you specify a different thing that smells delicious, it can be pasta, for example. In this case, have you tried the cake? It says, no, I'm waiting for the waiter to bring me a fork. Estoy esperando que me traigan un tenedor. So it is possible that they are talking about the cake. In the case of the meat, they mentioned that it is overcooked. Está un poco sobrecocinado. She didn't like it. But it is, yes, they are talking about the meat. In the case of number 5, it is water. Where they are not talking about water. They are talking about coffee because they mentioned dark and brown and strong. Dark and strong, the way I like it. And in the last one, it says no, where they're not talking about the menu because they are going to pay. What are they going to pay? They are going to pay that check. Correct. Very, very good. Thank you very much for your attention. Copy your answers on your piece of paper or notebook and or book, and put your answers, your photo of the answers, please.